Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy personal finance workshops with National Financial Educators Council, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the mission of the National Financial Educators Council, or NFEC. Familiarize yourself with their curriculum and resources available for conducting workshops. Assess your target audience to determine the most relevant financial topics to address. Gather information about the demographics, financial challenges, and educational needs of your audience. Choose a suitable workshop format, whether in-person, virtual, or hybrid, based on. Develop a clear workshop agenda covering key financial literacy topics like budgeting, saving, and investing. Incorporate engaging activities in real-life scenarios to facilitate better learning experiences. Design promotional materials to attract participants, such as flyers, social media posts, and email invitations. Leverage NFEC's resources for marketing strategies that effectively reach your audience. Set a date and time for the workshop, ensuring it accommodates your target audience's availability. Secure a venue if hosting in person, or select an appropriate platform for virtual sessions. If applicable, collaborate with local organizations, schools, or businesses to co-host the workshop. Promote the event using various channels, including social media, community boards, and local media. Encourage participants to register in advance to gauge interest and manage logistics effectively. Prepare workshop materials, including handouts, slides, and interactive tools. Practice your delivery to enhance confidence and ensure clarity during the presentation. Conduct the workshop, actively engaging participants and encouraging questions throughout. Utilize NFEC's evaluation tools to gather feedback from participants after the event. Analyze the feedback to identify strengths and areas for improvement in future workshops. Consider offering follow-up resources or additional sessions to reinforce learning. Continue building relationships with participants for future workshops and advocacy efforts. Stay updated on financial trends and best practices to keep your workshops relevant and informative. Regularly assess your impact and adjust your approach based on participant needs in changing financial landscapes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.